In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and edit your site using Wix's platform. Whether you're a business owner looking to add a new product or someone looking to enhance their site's functionality, this guide is your complete resource. Let's dive in. To start, go to Wix.com and log into your account. If you're new to Wix, creating an account is quick and straightforward. Once you're logged in, navigate to your Wix dashboard. Here, you will see an option to edit site. Click this and it will take you directly into the Wix editor where you'll have full control over the appearance and functionality of your website. Now, let's focus on adding a new product to your store. In the Wix editor, look for the menu on the left-hand side. Click on Menus and Pages and then select Store Pages. This section is where all essential functions related to your online store reside. Next, click on Product Page, which is where you manage individual items for sale. You'll see various tabs. And for this tutorial, click on Manage Products. Once there, you'll find an option called New Product. Click on it to start adding your new digital product. For digital content, you'll want to select Digital File. This option ensures that your ebook or any other digital file can be sold and delivered correctly to your customers. Then click on Upload File and select your digital file. This could be an ebook in PDF, EPUB, or MOBI format, or other files like audio, zip files, or templates. Once your file is uploaded, it's time to add some details about your product. Begin with a captivating product name. For example, if you're selling an ebook on mindset, you might name it Mindset Mastery Ebook. Add a detailed description that highlights the benefits and what readers will gain from it. Set a price for your product, typically a one-time payment. Remember to include an eye-catching cover image or mock-up to attract customers. A well-designed image can significantly influence buying decisions. After setting up your product, let's configure delivery settings. Wix automatically sends a secure download link to your buyers once they make a purchase. You also have the option to limit the number of times a product can be downloaded to ensure security, and rest assured, buyers will receive details in their email confirmation. Before we wrap up, make sure to save all your changes. Head over to Settings and then Accept Payments to connect a payment method such as Wix Payments, PayPal, or Stripe. Ensure to preview your product to see that everything looks perfect before going live. Once satisfied, hit publish to make your product live on your site. Finally, don't forget to share your product link on social media, email lists, or your blog to drive traffic. You might also consider creating a sales funnel or landing page to increase conversions. And there you have it, a straightforward way to manage and edit your site with Wix. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.